The learning target for this video has to do with addition strategies. The strategy that we'll be talking about today is count on ones. Now it's important to have good addition strategies so that you can solve basic facts quickly and accurately. It will also help you when you have to do larger multi-digit addition problems with decimals and whole numbers so that you can solve those quickly and accurately as well. So for this video you'll need something to write on and something to write with. A piece of paper and a pencil. If you don't have those things, pause the video, go get them, come back and we'll get started. Alright, let's start with this. What number do you see? That's right, 3. And one more is 4. So I start with 3 and I count on one more. 3, 4. Write down the fact that goes with this card. If you wrote down 3 plus 1 equals 4, you did it correctly. Start with 3 in my head, and I count on one more to get 4. 3, 4. Let's try another. What number do you see here? That's right, 4. And one more is 5. So I start with 4 and I count on 1. 4, 5. Write down the fact that goes with this card. If you wrote down 4 plus 1 equals 5, you did it correctly. I start with 4 and count on 1 to get 5. So 4, 5. Another? What number do you see here? That's right, 6. And one more is 7. So I start with the big number, 6, and count on one more. 6, 7. Now you write down the fact that goes with this card. If you wrote down 6 plus 1 equals 7, you did it correct. Let's do another. What number do you see here? That's right, 9. 9 and one more is 10. So I start with the big number, 9, and I count on one more. 9, 10. Write down the fact that goes with this card. If you wrote down 9 plus 1 equals 10, you did it correctly. How about a couple more? What number do you see here? That's right, 5. And one more is 6. So I start with the big number and count on 1. 5, 6. Write down the fact that goes with this card. If you wrote down 5 plus 1 equals 6, you did it correctly. Let's try another. What number do you see here? That's right, 7. 3 and 3 is 6, and one more is 7. So I have 7, and one more makes 8. I start with the big number and count on 1. So 7, 8. Write the fact that goes with this card. If you wrote down 7 plus 1 equals 8, you did it correctly. I think we could do one more. What number do you see here? That's right, 8. And one more is 9. So I start with the big number, 8, and count on one more to get 9. 8, 9. Write down the fact that goes with this card. See if you can beat me. If you wrote down 8 plus 1 equals 9, you did it correctly. That is the count on 1's strategy for addition.